Hey, babe. Can we talk for a moment?
Of course, sweetheart. What's on your mind?
Well, I've been really worried about you lately. I've noticed you've been smoking a lot and going to the casino often. It's not healthy, and it's affecting your finances. I want to talk to you about this because I love you, and I don't want to see you struggle in the future because of these habits.
I appreciate your concern, babe, but you know how hard it is to quit smoking and stop going to the casino. I understand they're not good for me, but I've become somewhat habitual now. I don't want to lose you either, but asking me to change quickly is tough.
I understand that change is difficult, but if you really love me, I want you to consider making these changes for our future together. I worry that if you continue down this path, you might not have enough money for our future, and that scares me. I want us to have a stable and happy life together.
Sweetheart, if you truly love me, then love me as I am. Don't try to change me into someone I'm not. I know I have issues with smoking and gambling, but it's not as simple as just stopping. I've tried to quit before, but I couldn't help myself. I do love you, and I want to make you happy, but this is a tough journey.
I do love you, and that's why I want what's best for you. If you're willing to try, I'll support you all the way. Maybe we can even find a doctor who can help you quit smoking and gambling. You don't have to go through this alone.
That sounds like a good idea, babe. If you're willing to be by my side and help me find professional help, then I'm willing to give it a shot. I really do want to change for the better, for both of us.
Thank you, sweetheart. It means a lot to me that you're willing to try. Remember, I'm here for you, and I just want us to have a healthy and happy future together.
I know, and I appreciate your love and support. Let's do this together, and hopefully, with time and effort, I can overcome these habits for good.
Hello there, it's nice to meet you. Your girlfriend mentioned that you're interested in quitting smoking and gambling. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. I know these habits aren't good for me, and I want to change.
That's a great first step. Wanting to make a change. Let's start with smoking. To quit smoking, it's important to set a quit date. Choose a day in the near future when you'll stop smoking completely.
Okay, I can do that. But what about the cravings?
Good question. When you have cravings, try to distract yourself with a hobby or a walk. Chewing sugar-free gum or having a healthy snack can help too. And don't hesitate to reach out to friends or family for support when you need it.
Thanks, that sounds doable. What about gambling?
For gambling, it's essential to identify your triggers. What makes you want to gamble? Is it stress or boredom?
It's mostly boredom and sometimes the excitement of winning.
I see. In that case, find alternative activities to keep yourself busy during your free time. Maybe take up a new hobby, like painting or playing a musical instrument. Also, consider self-exclusion programs from casinos or gambling websites to block access.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.